If you're a female coach or entrepreneur, you need to be creating this type of content to grow your online business. First, I want you to start thinking about content as a funnel. And there are different stages of where your audience is in regards to that funnel. Stage one is the awareness stage. This is where people don't yet know you. They know they have a problem, but they don't know that you offer the solution. So you want to create content that positions yourself as the go-to expert and authority. Next is the attention stage. This is where now they are aware of you and know who you are, but they're wondering, are you the best fit and option for them? This is where you want to share testimonials, social proof, and share your story. This is where you give all the juicy gems, and this is where you build that connection where they know, like, and trust you. Lastly is the attraction stage. This is where you sell. They already know who you are. They're aware of you. They've been in your world, and now they're waiting for you to give them the invite to buy and join your offer. So what is that content funnel and the content types you want to create? Awareness, attention, attraction. So if you're looking to grow your online business and start turning more of your content into cash, I break all of this down in my free masterclass and course. All you have to do is comment access and I'll send it right over.